Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Acura MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, remote start, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, keyless ignition, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps, USB connection, power door locks, power windows, leather, daytime running lights, Sirius satellite radio. Your new ride is just a phone call away.